Hello, my name is Christopher, and I am recording our Week 9 uh, project for Promineo Tech backend developer course. And this week we are working on CRUD to create our application. And this week specifically, we are working on the create piece of that. So here within Java, I have my projects app. And within that app, we have our our operations here to add a project. And then if we scroll down here, within our main method here, we have our um, case here to create a project, and our exceptions here if the selection is not valid, or it will uh, throw an error. And then we can scroll down here. So we have our create project method, and we have this is where the user can enter the project name, enter the estimated hours, what the actual hours were, and the difficulty of the project, and any notes that they want to add about the project. If we scroll down here, if there is a number that they enter that isn't valid, then it'll tell them that it's not a valid decimal number. Here we have the ability to exit the menu. And then right in this section here, the user selection. So this is where they're going to enter the menu selection. And then again, once again here, if the value that the user enters is not valid, then it'll throw an exception here. And then yeah, so we can go ahead and test this and see if it works. All right, so let me open up the console here. So I'm going to run this. All right, you can see we have our prompt here. So let's first see if we can if the exceptions are working. So we'll enter like ABC, and we can see here that it throws an error that it's not a valid number. So now if we try to add a number here, let's say 4, it's also going to tell you that 4 is not a valid selection. So our exceptions are working. So now let's go ahead and try to add a project here. So we're going to hit 1. All right, so let's enter our project name. So we'll just say chicken mushroom recipe. Estimate hours to cook, we'll say is 2. Actual hours, we'll say 3. Project difficulty, it's not terribly hard, so we'll say that's a 2. And project notes, we'll say uh, make enough to have some leftovers. All right, so we can see here that we have successfully created our project. So we've connected to our schema projects, and our project has been successfully created. All right, so we have our name as chicken mushroom recipe, estimated hours, actual hours, the difficulty of 2, and some notes. All right, so if we hit enter here, that's going to exit the menu. So everything is working perfectly. Thank you.